二手夏装衣服类目 Second-hand summer clothes category.
Women trousers, women jeans, women style jeans, women 57 pants, men cotton trousers, men trousers, men jeans, men casual shorts, men short jeans, yarn dress, silk yarn skirt, yarn nylon cotton dress, cotton nylon long skirt, cotton ladies jumpsuit, silk yarn women top, cotton blouse,
ladies t-shirt, lady t-shirt,
men sportswear, men t-shirt,
men set, men set,
men short sleeves, women lace top, kids jeans, children's shirt, women underwear, ladies bra, silk scarf, silk pajamas, wedding dress, stretch pants, caps, swimsuit, men cotton pants, men cotton pants, legging, men shorts,